This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by CJ Howell. Breathtaking view of Chesapeake Bay from this single-family home, offering a versatile floor plan over 3 levels. 2 bedrooms, full bath, media/rec room, and laundry on the first floor. Spacious living room, nicely designed kitchen, formal dining room, sunroom, private library, and powder room on the second floor with 10-foot ceilings. Panoramic views of bay from huge deck. 3rd floor private suite for owners with study/studio, spacious bedroom and bath with double vanity sinks, curbless shower, and jetted tub. Moonlight deck with spectacular views. Elevator to access all floors. Wheelchair compliant. For more information, review the details.